Okay, today we have the 3D Safety Syntax Squat Matrix, which is just a lot of words for, we're going to get you to squat in a lot of different positions, which are going to be really good for the strength and flexibility of your ankle and your hip. Okay? So there's going to be a basic move, and then we're just going to tweak your feet. So we're just going to do one of each to start. So all you're going to do is whatever your normal stance is, your feet somewhat straight, you're just going to squat down one. Then you're going to turn your feet out, squat one. Then you're going to turn your feet in, squat one. Now remember, when you turn your feet in, you still want to be able to move, okay? So if you turn your feet in and then you can't continue to squat, that's too much. So find a successful spot for yourself and then squat. Now I'm going to ask you to go into a stagger stance. Feet straight, one, and your back heel can come up when you go down, that's fine. Then the stagger stance, feet out, both feet. Then the stagger stance, feet in, so both rotated in. Best as you can do. Sometimes you might put this foot in the back and not be able to rotate it in. That's fine, as best as you can do. And again, when you squat down, that can lift. So there you go. There's the first series. Now what I wanted you to do is you're going to do that same series, but wider than normal. So you find a wider. We're going to start in what we call neutral first. Down, feet out, feet in. Now stagger stance, but wide. Feet straight, feet out. Remember, we're wide here, wider than normal, but not so wide that you can't squat anymore. Feet in. Again, you're not trying to match my motion, you find your position. So we've done those series with our normal stance, a wider stance. Guess what's next? A little more narrow than normal. So you don't want to be so narrow that you can't move. But you want to be narrower than normal. Now feet straight, feet out, feet in. Now you're going to go in a stagger stance, but again, maybe step normal and then close them in a little. Okay, feet straight, normal or narrow, but feet out. And narrow, but feet in. There you go. That's all there is to it. Okay, those positions. But believe it or not, just doing that, you just did 27 different squats. Nice job. Okay, so again, find your success point, nice and easy, up and down.